Label with speed, strength, and simplicity. The i6100 Industrial Label Printer. Everything you need, nothing you don't. When speed matters, make an impact by matching the pace of your fast-moving processes. Get rugged durability with an aluminum body for all those close calls, and to hold up to those tough environments. An intuitive interface that makes the settings you want to adjust easy to find and simple to change. The i6100 is ready for anything the job throws at it, with accessories that enhance the way you print, save you time, and are easy to install on your own. Meet specialized work head-on with Brady's wide variety of high-performance labels. Grow into Brady's ecosystem of software and scanners, backed by Brady's unmatched warranty and support services. The i6100, everything you need to get the job done right, nothing you don't.